And when Serwaa went there, Sanko Okoshie Akufo-Addo, and the bodyguards of Nana-Addo can attest to this. The boys did not allow Serwaa to go see Nana-Addo right away. Why she Photoshop it? But I don't want to show that girl's image. Take an image off. I don't want an image on my show. Cry, pen anymore because of your bronze and video, no video way because I video way and someone. I don't want no demonic face on my page. Now, after Okohona, she was denied access. No, she sat there for more than 8 hours. So one of the boys went and prompted the president to say, let you know, Stella, she's outside there. And also, you know what, you guys, let her come in. It's your buyer, Obesia Akufo-Addo hotel, baby, a hotel, no one, baby, I have found say. And then to the presidential suite near baby, I will meet near the other, and your baby, I would done near the other. What call Hiltons and these big hotels. You know how the presidential suites are done. Men, you crossing, you know, in that down. It's a Ghana, a hotel now, and dining BBA share you back on the baby. Presidential suites are different. I believe so. Kempinski Krana is different there. And you know, Serwaa them were, and this was the exact word of His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Hey, what are you doing here? I've been told to stay away from you. This is Nana Akufo-Addo's words. Hey, what are you doing here? I have been told to stay away from you. And I said, why said you subina yo or starting, oh, Mr. President, I'm not after you. You know, it's just that I'm going to do a workshop and I need you to help me out, and it's help I need, and nobody said no. So you want to do a workshop of what? And I will catch the president and the president and the catcher will say Sadia Oba Ghana Bra Flag Staff House, because that is where government business take place. Serwaa, you stood in front of the president and lied to the president and said, one of the women's NPP organizer in Canada has said, wo Serwaa Bruni, when I was NPP women organizer in Toronto, the reason why you even got a little access, say Brabeshiano, flag staff out to see how best they can help you. She went to Ghana. Finally, the old man comes to a Flagstaff house. He told, say, Serwaa be an answer, lady be NPP women organizer from Canada, person in the Bay. Also, let her come to the office. And I will go to the office. And to walk on the outpass away, no, so into a party activist. So now it's Nana, or be on him, Nana, Nana, or your Europa, Nana, or your Putocaso, Tizo, Betty, no, Pesseria, or poking things here, and also. This weekend, the Kurano, yeah, quite a year, Kumase, party for a Kumase. How she got access to this jet that we are talking about is what I'm putting here. My man met that I'll say be a president and say that friend not the neighbor jet it is a lie. Don't go and listen to some sendabu ya when you put down for bar life a beating. Then play no mutimuno. Sabi enya Akufo-Addo nkwane team. Mutie. Party executives, party heads near the ade. Na the ama make atira o say Serwaa ye beifo ne say waka kire ye nyina say oye sebi obi opo ba ana meboa. Sa no ka kire ye. Sa no ka kire ye nyina. Mutie. Sa no ka kire ye nyina. Na sa na time waka kire ye say opo ba no. Na sabi NPP big man. Wari no. Hopes in by wari no. Say there. Who compare Queen B and your president in the compromising position where take a picture amounts to blackmailing and extortion. So if she has big appetite for money, Serwaa, get ready. You were the first person that ran to the police as if I had threatened you. And they came, me, God being so good, I told everybody on my page, say, do not threaten that girl. Mo be anka threat word be antreno or no anka saniniama or yeno na catch up with it. I'm telling you, say one PTS one ya walking in nano, and you're no one come and I catch you up to her. And today I will show you guys. Share the page for the page to go. Let's say one know say dear or person and now their wedding kind a year NPP penny pie be. Eh? I know the Yayan Hasha Shaman is scared, you know. There is evidence to it, said that is extortion. Eh? Dear or person or dear hopes in no a year big time blackmailing and extortion. Thirdly, the fact is that one lie on a certain president with a criminal accept president person okuno and no qua alone is a criminal intent. You are lying, you are liable for something like that. Falsifying false that can jeopardize the livelihood of somebody. So will be person ukumwa and the laws take it serious. So to allege, say, and now to go on all out as if you have more information, say, a certain president is trying to kill you because according to what you know, you have a picture that if they don't give you 1 million, you are going to expose. Serwaa, the news from the Flagstaff house to you today is do your worst. Fasao loot pictures, nebra. The old man is tired. Bring it out and let's see. You claim you have it, so bring it out. I told you, say attacking honorable hopes now. And now would have joined on your train. But what they be for a papa penny within the baby. When you know damn well the man sacked you when you went into the hotel that day and the bodyguards didn't let you go in. And then you are better now saying who be play victim's card. Now, let me give you the genesis. Shout out to Obetua Vim Power House. When Mijlan can say, hey, his birthday pictures is gonna come out. His birthday picture is gonna come. Now, Ohini David, hey, today is 7 p.m. sharp. A Kufado video is coming on. Na Ghana for Jimmy Fato Bandra de train. Also, Mamma, Kevin Taylor, the Agini views. The Bijna Haka Chremo said there is no truth in it because girl no free Ghana buy, you know, or the Nkomoma Yehu, the Hawaii bonnet. Dia oye ne bonino o di dija o dinkra o kaye. Now let me tell you this, mo amekana munjindino. It took her 4 years to plan this. First 2 years was for Hopes Nadoye. When that didn't fall through, a bra honorable candidate Japan can say, listen, this girl doesn't have anything on the president, so forget him. If free neko mu bian fanoko ubi unblocking, and almost started say come where then and about more. Into honorable can baby I will be chiao. Honorable Ken came to wish you ask for. Honorable Ken came to meet you because your shallow mind didn't know that the so-called Kufado you were not chatting was not a Kufado. But we Jimmy phone and sending with him and then me to me was be Facebook account. And my friend Honorable Ayoko Trebo Honorable Chairman Sabunsu. What ye buruchiri? When I see us with him technology, now when him say why Jimmy. And then bring social media about beer to me for beer profile chat. A good for social media or about 3-4. I feel glad yes, yeah, no, yes, yeah, iMessage. I feel a good for use iPhone. A good for use iPhone. Nagane. Oh my God. My God. Hey, she didn't sleep in no room with Serwaa Bruni. Whatever you heard is a lie. The video is there. Or see or no. She never even had 1 minute. She confessed to her own mother, say, when you 1 minute to crack close to the president. And